Hey everyone. Welcome back to The Growth Mind. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss an inspiring video. Today we're diving into something that can transform the way you think, work, and live, effective ways to become mentally strong. So stay tuned till the end because this one could change your mindset forever. It is one of the most beautiful compensations of this life that no man can sincerely try to help another without helping himself. Ralph Waldo Emerson. Would you say you are living an inspiring life and that others look up to you? Would you say that others are inspired by your actions, by your words, by the way you are living your life? Would you like to live a life of this kind? Would you like to know that you have the power to inspire others through the work you do? To know that what you do is meaningful, not only for yourself but for others also? I like to believe that everybody wants to live an inspiring life. I like to believe that everybody wants to bring value in this world and to have an impact on other people's lives. If you think about it, people want to be liked, people want and need to be approved by those around them. In fact, so many of us are willing to act like somebody we are not just so we can get some attention, affection, just so we can be liked and approved by those around us. And if that's the case, I would say that living an inspiring life is what we all want, living an inspiring life is what we all need, it's what we're all after. Just imagine how beautiful your life would be, doing the things you truly believe in, doing the things you are passionate about, because you see, this is the way towards living an inspiring life. This is how you will manage to inspire others, by doing what you love, by doing those things you strongly believe in, through your commitment to bring value into this world, and by doing so, you will receive all the love and approval you once needed, all the attention and affection you once were after. Once you get to this point in your life where you only do those things that really matter, where you only do those things that you truly believe in, getting other people to like you, getting other people's approval will be the least of your concerns, and the irony is that, the moment you stop chasing that, the moment you no longer are interested in being liked, in being accepted by those around you, that will be the moment you will receive all of these things. Not too long ago you were the one chasing after approval and now approval is chasing after you. Isn't this a wonderful thing? I call this the incredible power of letting go. When you let go, the things you were once after will come running after you. So, if you really want to become an inspiring person, if you really want to start living an inspiring life, you will have to start by being true to yourself and your values, by respecting your own integrity. You will have to start by always doing those things you love, by always doing those things you are passionate about, those things you believe in, those things that really matter to you. By doing so, you will be able to inspire others, you will have the power to inspire others to do the same thing with their lives. You will be an example for others and you will be admired for your courage because you see, if you look around you, you will notice that it takes a lot of courage to accept who you really, to embrace who you are and to act in accordance to that. By always being true to yourself, you will become somebody that people will want to be around, you will become somebody that people would look up to, and you will get to a point in your life where you will realize that this is exactly what the world needs. More people who aren't afraid to be themselves, more people who have the courage to say yes to who they are, yes to their passions, yes to their values, yes to their inner calling, yes to life. Thanks for watching The Growth Mind. If this video inspired you, give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more powerful content on motivation, self-growth, and success. Remember, growth starts with your mind. See you in the next video. Sparkles, stay strong, stay growing, only on The Growth Mind. Seedling.